When you first lay eyes on the Indian Scout Rogue, you instantly are hit with that bad boy cruiser feeling. And although I am the furthest thing there is from a bad boy, this motorcycle is just really cool. The design is impeccable with its 10-inch mini 8 bars, twin exhausts and forward foot pegs. This bike exudes a rebellious spirit and that matte blacked out paint finish. The only exception to this is the chrome pipes, but that's a nod to the classics. I put this beauty through its paces over the last month and any new rider would be happy to take it on. Now, the 2023 Rogue has a low seating profile with a seat height of just 25.6 inches, which is quite comfortable for a little guy like me. However, with limited ground clearance of just over 5 inches and a lean angle of 29 inches, one has to be mindful of those sharp turns. And for those that love a bit of history, the Indian Scout series, which dates back to the 1920s, was revived in 2015 by Polaris-backed Indian Motorcycle Company. The Scout Rogue has certainly come a long way. Its modern design, punctuated by a quarter-round fairing around the headlight and 19-inch cast aluminum front wheel, makes it stand out in the Scout lineup. Performance-wise, the Rogue is powered by a robust 1,133cc V-twin engine, putting out 100 horsepower. Despite the power, it maintains a manageable weight of 545 pounds. That's when the 3.3-gallon tank is actually full. Priced at $10,000, the Rogue slides right into the Indian Scout lineup. It offers a commendable performance with its steering and handlebar height, facilitating aggressive riding. Now, there are several color options to choose from. The price, it ranges between $11,499 to $13,399. And for those on a budget, there's always the Scout 60 version, which starts at $9,999. The 2023 Indian Scout Rogue offers an unparalleled riding experience, from its distinct exhaust sound to its old-school analog design. It's a modern classic in the making, and what first-time rider doesn't want a classic? Well, there you have it, guys. The 2023 Indian Scout Rogue, a blend of history, design, and performance. Perfect for the vertically challenged American like me.
I'm NiK Miles.